So, hi everyone. It's 8:30 in the morning. I have my watch list, basically four stocks, and I have another three stocks on my mind to watch list in pre-market. So I have this one. It's up from yesterday. So if you go to the 1 hour, it was up from Monday, basically from $3 all the way to the 9. Yesterday was kind of a little bit choppy, but today pre-market right now, if you go to the 5 minutes, it's kind of moving up, and the volume is a little bit light, but I think if it's pick up a little bit volume over here, it has a potential to move a little bit more. But next resistance level is around 950, 970. So I'm not gonna trade right now. I'm gonna wait for the market open probably. So I'm gonna keep this on my watch list. Next one is BIAF. So this stock is right now around the 450. So if you go to the 1 hour, it also was up on the Monday. It also was up Monday. It was around $3 all the way to the 540. Right now it's yesterday was kind of same choppy. It was a little bit down. What today when markets open, it's gonna jump from 430 to the 5. Right now it's kind of lost VWAP, so moving down. Light, the volume is a little bit light, so I'm not gonna trade it right now, but I'm gonna keep it on my watch list. Yeah, I think it's in more volume. Okay, next one we have stock from yesterday as ATL. So this one is kinda right now it's lost the VWAP, so it's around the 540, and next resistance level is 476. Yesterday I was on my watch list. It was up from 480 till 576. So also on my watch list. If you go to the 1 hour, I made a straight line, and I think if it's pick up the more volume, it has the potential to move like 620 probably an area. So I'm gonna keep this as a 15 minutes over here. Okay, next stock is BZAI. So this one is kind of a little bit choppy. It started moving when market closed yesterday, if you can see over here. So for 20 it was $1.20 and was up for $1.76. So and in the morning it's kind of jump like 20 cents and lost same 20 cents. Right now it's like moving around the VWAP. So I'm not gonna, also the volume is a little bit light. I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna keep it on my watch list and see what's happening when market is open. So if you go to the pre-market right here, you can choose the day, after market, pre-market. So we're gonna go for the pre-market. You can see all the stocks is moving up. So over here, this is penny stock. I'm not interested. I have this on my watch list. This is penny stock. Also, I have on my watch list this stock name is NX Technology. NXT price is 136. So I don't know, if you go to the daily, it's not kinda, the stock is actually losing. So it was like 22, 15, 430. Right now it's like, it's a 130. The volume is around 5 million. It's a small cap. In the morning it was jumped from 125 till 160 area, but right now it's kind of losing it. So I'm not gonna trade right now. I'm gonna keep it in a watch list and see what's gonna happen when markets open or after like 9 o'clock. Okay, another penny stock, penny stock. This one too. So another penny stock. This one's too expensive. This one has very light volume, and also it's not a small cap. This is on my watch list. Right now it's a little bit small volume. The stock is starting moving. The stock starts moving, but the volume is a little bit light. I think it's need a little bit more volume. Or also, if you go to the daily, stock is actually losing. So I might keep it on a watch list. This one's a little bit too expensive. This has no volume. Same. This one is on my watch list. This one's too expensive. Okay, basically all the stocks, so I'm gonna wait till markets open and see what happens. Okay, I have the stock on my watch list. I wanted to take this trade over here, but if you go to the level 2, it has a big sellers around 850, 860. I'm gonna wait until its markets open. Also, if you go to the 15 minutes, the yesterday, it was a big seller around 870, so resistance level is 870. It got once 910 level, and after that it couldn't break this level. It couldn't break the 870 level right here. So right now it's kind of the same. It hit 850 level and actually moving down, and same seller is around 850. So if it's pick up a little bit more volume, maybe when markets open, I think if it's break this 870 level, I might get some shares, but right now I'm gonna wait and see what's happening when markets open. So it's 9:27 right now. We have 3 minutes to market till open. I haven't took any trade. So if you go to the pre-market, it's kind of the same. I have this penny stock up, penny stock up. I have this on my watch list, but it's moving sad, so I didn't trade on. This one too expensive. This one is kind of choppy and volume's light, so I didn't trade that one. Okay, this one has light volume. This one's too expensive. I have this on my watch list, but it's a little cheap and very light volume, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it. This has a very light volume. Let's see what's happening when market open. Okay, 9:29. We have 30 seconds till market open. Okay, market is open, so let's see what's happened. I'm gonna put in a 1 minute. Right now it's below the pre-market high level, which is around 5. So also it's close to Viva, so I'm not gonna trade this one yet. So usually I wait like 10-15 minutes after market open, so around 9:40, 9:45, because it's kind of starts moving and it can be down, it can be up. So I have another stock is moving up after markets open. So this one's RZLT. So the volume is kind of very light, but it's picking up. It's only 500. Right now it's around $3.20. If you go to the daily, the resistance level around $4. I'm not trading it, so let's see what's happened. I have this one, You Grow. It's around 8 860 level, but as you can see, yesterday it hit 870 level a couple times and actually didn't broke down. So I think if it's break this level, 870 level, and it needs more volume over here, so I think it has a good potential to go up. But if you pay attention for the level 2, it has a big seller in the same area, like 860, 870. So let's see what happens. So I pick up the 500 shares of SATL. It was on my watch list from yesterday. Right now it's moving up, but this kind of has a big sellers around $6. So I'm gonna hold it a little bit more. See. So next resistance level is around 650. So right now it has a big seller around 610. It kind of has a light volume, only 3 million, and the bigger flow around 90 million. So I sold the half of a position of 250 shares for 610. So we have big sellers on level 2 is 620 area, 625. I still have 250 position. So I'm waiting 620 to sell the rest of my position. Okay, I sold the rest of my position for 620, and right now my account is up 130. The stock is moving up. So if you go to the 1 hour frame, I made this trend line. So in 1 hour frame, I have this trend line. I made it, so it's kind of moving. Hold this trend, so I think it's gonna hit like around 630, and probably by the end of the day, maybe 620. The next resistance level is 620. It's right here. So it's kind of reached the 624 area 4 times. And if you pay attention for level 2, it has 624, 25 area big. So if it's gonna break this 624 area, 625 area, I think it has a potential to move next resistance level 650. So this stock was on my watch list pre-market today. So pre-market is actually was 505. Then it's gonna drop. If you go to the 5 minutes right here, so it went down all the way to 430. Right now it's moving around 490, and if it's break this level $5, it's also can be moved up, but a big seller around $5. So back to SATL. I'm gonna put this level to 624. So if you can see, it's reached the 4 times 624 level. So I'm not gonna take another trade for at least right now, because it's a volume kind of slowing down. Also MACD is crossed down. We have big seller on 625, which is next resistance level. So I'm gonna wait. And also if you go to the 5 minutes, it has 2 topping tail in the 5 minutes. So I'm gonna wait till the 624 area it's clears. So let's go to the market and see what's moving. So we have penny stock, another penny stock, another penny stock, a lot of penny stocks, but I'm not interested in that. We have another stocks name is PAYC. YS base. So the volume is pretty low, 3 million, and right now it's reaching $5. It was open around 420. If you go to the day, it has the next resistance level is 560, around 560. It actually looks good in my opinion. What's the next one? This was on my watch list, but it's kinda less than $2, and it was close to the VWAP. It's actually lost the VWAP right now, so we're not gonna trade down. We have another VIVO. It's popping up, but the level of the volume is very light. RZLT was up from 290 to 360, but right now it's lost the VWAP and actually going down. Also very light volume. I'm not gonna trade it for now. I have this one on my watch list too. It's kinda up 30 cents. It's moving steady. Maybe I should watch this too. So SIDU. It has a 6 million of volume and 66 million of free. We have a big seller at 295. So I took a 1000 position of SIDU at 291 level. So I pressed the sell order of half of my position for 301. So let's see what happens. Maybe I should sell it at 3 because I have a big seller at $3 over here. Okay, it's $3 right now. $2.99, $3. Okay, I sold the 500 position of 301. We have a big seller at 309. Okay, it's moving up. Next resistance level it's 340, but we have a big seller at 312 and 313. So I press the sell order of my 500 reserve position at 315. So I actually canceled my 500 position at 315 and I sell the 250 position at 305. So I have a rest of 250 shares left. So I'm gonna watch if it's go up to 310. So I actually sold the rest of my 250 position at $3 level because on the 5-minute level I saw the large stopping tail and I have a large seller at $3.10. So let's go back to SATL. So as I said before, it has a big seller at 625. So it actually broke that level. It went up and I think it has a potential to go up all the way to 715. So it's 10:30 in the morning. I took 2 trades and right now my account is up $235. So I think I'm not gonna trade any stocks today. I'm gonna watch it, but I'm gonna call it a day. My account is up $235. Okay, see you tomorrow.